Hey guys, so welcome back to the DelfStack. This is how to fix slow response on Chrome. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, it means that your Chrome has too much data in it. So to fix this issue, what you could try to do is delete some data. So to do this, select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, and you will have an option over here, Settings. So go ahead and click on it. Now here on the settings tab, you can just simply go ahead and go for the privacy and security, and you will have an option over here, delete browsing data. So mostly guys, the data that consumes the most is the cookies and other site data and the cache images and files, but it will be just optional if you include the browsing history, the download history, and when you select show more, you will have other options as well over here, and you can manage other Google data as well over here. And I'd recommend, if you really want to reset your Google Chrome to a fresh one, you can just simply select more over here, and you will have an option all time, and just simply delete the data, and mostly this will make your Chrome much more faster. Another option is you could just simply select the three dots over here and go for the extensions tab and select manage extensions. So sometimes if you have too many extensions turned on, this can cause some issues. So make sure to remove any extensions that you no longer use. And after that, you can just simply uninstall them. And after that, you will have a much more faster Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.